What is up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I've been meaning to do this damn video, but honestly, I've been caught up with all the show reviews that I do. So if you have not seen my show reviews, check out my playlist TV Rewind. And I am now reviewing certain shows, so check that out if you have not. But yeah, I forgot to do this video even though I had bought this product like a couple days ago. But before we get into this product, do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to click the little bell so you can be updated on when I'm posting videos. And do not forget to follow me on Instagram. I love foundation. I love to try new products. So I purchased the new foundation from NYX. It is the Can't Stop But Won't Stop Rockefeller. Alright, so this is it. The Can't Stop Won't Stop Rockefeller Frequency. Get down, girls are lovers. Alright, so this is the foundation. This is the brand new foundation in collaboration with Alyssa Ashley, who is also a YouTuber. Shout outs to Alyssa. Congratulations, girl. So proud of you. But yeah, so this is the new foundation and it just hit the stores. It was online and it finally hit all the stores last week or a week before. So I think it was last week. So there are 45 shades in this. There are so many shades for us. I had a really hard time matching my shade. I went back to Ulta 3 times. The first color I got was Deep Cool, and in the store it looked cool, but this oxidizes like a mother. So I had to take it back. I did this video 3 times also. I had to take Deep Cool back because it was just too dark. The next color I got was Walnut. Walnut also looked good in the store. When I got home, too dark. So I got this color, and this color is the Cocoa. I went to the store again, I swatched it, and I sat there. I just sat there. I look crazy as shit, but I just sat there because it oxidizes, so I wanted to see if it would match. And to me, this is the closest matching one. And the colors go by undertone, so this is a neutral undertone, which it has more red in it. Not a lot of red, but there's red in it. So I'm not sure how they got the undertone matching with the foundations, but whatever, we're gonna try it. And it is a 24-hour, I don't know who wears foundation 24 hours. I sure the hell don't, but we're not gonna do that today. It's 24 hours. It is a full coverage foundation, and they say it's transfer resistant, so we're gonna see. It is a standard 1 fluid ounce, and there is a plastic cover and glass bottle. And this is a matte foundation. I did not buy the primer because I heard the primer was not the best. I heard some not so good reviews, so I am not buying the primer. But I am using my Belief. This is the Aqua Bomb, so I'm using that as my moisturizer to make sure my face is nice and supple. Let me go ahead and use my e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer just to give myself some added moisture. I don't know if I want to use my sponge or my brush. I'm going to go ahead and use the brush, and I am going to do 1 pump. Let's see how far 1 pump gets us. And this is supposed to be full coverage, so I like the coverage. I think it's really nice. Under my eyes, I think the color is a really good match. It's not, I don't think it's full coverage. I think it's more medium. But let's do a half a pump. I don't want to put on too much, because my under eyes did not get covered as I would hope. So we're just going to do 1 more pump. to be transfer resistant, but I don't think. It doesn't feel heavy. You know, I don't like a heavy foundation. It doesn't feel heavy at all, so okay. And see, this looks like the type of foundation that you can wear without a lot, like a full face of makeup. You can actually just not wear a lot of shit and I think it will work. But let me go ahead and apply. I'm not going to do a full face. I'm just going to put some enhancements, if you will. And for my concealer, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in C13. And I'm going to use that as my under eye highlight. And to set my highlight, I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the color 40, and this is deep. Well, this is dark, not deep, but I'm going to take a little bit of that to set my under eye. And when it comes to setting, I always have an issue because everything always looks too light under my eyes. So I prefer to not have my under eyes stand out too much. And I'm going to take a little bit of my Mario Badescu spray. And this is in the Aloe Cucumber Green Tea, just to kind of give it a little set. That is it. For my eyes, I'm just going to put just one eyeshadow on there. And I'm going to use my Juvia's Place Nubian palette. And what color am I going to use? And I'm going to use this reddish brown color right here. Y'all, so this is cute. This is cute. Alright guys, y'all don't mind me. This actually came out really nice. After all of that shit, I finally found my color. The cocoa is nice. It does oxidize, as you can see, but I think it is a good match. It's not as, it's still red, but not too red. So I think it works really well. I don't know if any other colors can match me. The good thing about this, and this is why I wasn't really upset, is because when it comes to matching darker skin people, we always had issues with companies not making enough foundations to match us. This has an array of colors that can possibly match us. So not finding your shade initially is actually a delight because things are actually looking up. So I'm really happy about that. Like I said, my cons about it, I wish it was full coverage. I just don't think it's full coverage. I think it's medium, but it is buildable, so that is a good thing. It's nice. I like it a lot. I am not, I do not have oily skin. I do have dry skin, but it works well with oily combination, dry, normal. It works well with every skin type, so I think that is a pro. I think it came out really nice. I do like this foundation a lot. I'm not going to do 24 hours. Actually, what time is it? Actually, it's like 1:23 in the morning, so I just put this on so you guys can see it. I'm about to wash this shit off, but I think it is really nice. I do like this. I think this is a really good foundation for not just every day, but like if you're going out with your girls at night, if you're going out to dinner. I think this is a really nice foundation. It came out really good. I would suggest you go into your nearest NYX store or Ulta. Those are the two places that are selling it, rather than purchasing it online from NYX or Ulta, because you need to get matched. Because of the colors, because of the undertones, you definitely need to get matched. So you have to, once you swatch it, make sure when you swatch it, you walk around with it for a minute, because it oxidizes, and it oxidizes a lot darker than what you are. So make sure you do that, because you're gonna be like me, going back to the store every time. This is my third one, y'all. My third one. The last time I went to get this, I was swatching this one, and I was using the tester, and it just flew all on my shirt. So I had black on, not black, I had brown foundation all on my white shirt. So just take heed. If you get this, go to the store, get it swatched. But like I said, I really, really like this foundation. I give this a thumbs up. Congratulations, Alyssa Ashley. Congratulations to NYX. Anyway, guys, so if you have any questions, let me know down below. Do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to thumbs up this video. And do not forget to check out my website, justbeher.com. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.